South Korea's better-than-expected economic growth in the first quarter could put a pause on the opposition party's proposal for a supplementary budget. Though the opposition party says the budget is needed due to an economic crisis, the recent rosy economic findings could make that argument lose ground. Kun-woo with the details.
South Korea's opposition Democratic Party's proposal for a supplementary budget of 13 trillion won, or around $9.4 billion to stabilize people's livelihoods, could lose ground as the economy has recently seen higher than expected growth. The Bank of Korea's data for the gross domestic product in the first quarter released on Thursday showed an on-quarter surprise rise of 1.3% due to a recovery in exports, construction investment, and private consumption. The growth figure was higher than the early expectations of 0.6 to 0.7% for economic growth in the first quarter. According to Article 89 of the National Finance Act, the government can only make extra budgets in exceptional cases, such as a war, major natural disasters, or an economic recession. But as the opposition party is asserting economic crisis as the reason for a supplementary budget, the strong economic data for Q1 could possibly put the brakes on their recent proposal, as it does not meet those legal requirements. Still, as those findings are shown to be partially due to the base effect, and as both the ruling People Power Party and opposition Democratic Party are concerned about the economic sentiment, it has been reported that the opposition party could still push for the extra budget. But other factors could prevent the proposal from moving forward. These include the impact of the record-high shortfall in tax revenue from last year and the backlash toward frequent supplementary budgets, especially as the government debt exceeded 50% of GDP last year. The government has made extra budgets 4 times in 2020 and 2 times each in 2021 and 2022 during the COVID-19 pandemic. Kun-woo, Arirang News.